CA Glue, also known as crazy glue or super glue, is a type of adhesive that is known for its incredibly fast setting time and strong bond. It's a great choice for a variety of woodworking projects, from small repairs to larger builds. But with so many different brands and types of CA Glue on the market, it can be tough to know which one to choose. In this video, we're going to review some of the top CA Glues for woodworking and help you decide which one is right for you. We'll also share some tips on how to use CA Glue safely and effectively. So if you're looking for the best cyanoacrylate glue for woodworking, be sure to watch this video until the end. Number 1. Starbond 54DWB7 MBRX Thin CA Glue. This glue has a very strong bonding strength, making it ideal for bonding a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and rubber. This glue comes with a variety of accessories, including applicator nozzles, clog-free pin caps, and precision microchips. This makes it easy to use the glue for a variety of applications. Number 2. MITREAPEL Cyanoacrylate Glue. This glue is robust and durable, making it ideal for even the most demanding projects. The glue cures entirely in just 5 to 12 seconds, so that you can get back to your project quickly. The aerosol activator spray provides a fine mist that is easy to control, and the viscous liquid of the glue prevents it from running or dripping. Number 3. Adhesive Guru CA Glue. This CA Glue bonds most surfaces within 5 to 10 seconds, which is much faster than most other types of glue. The glue cures entirely in as little as 3 seconds. It provides a powerful bond that is durable and resistant to weathering and aging. This glue can be used to bond a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, ceramic, and fabric. Number 4. CYAFIXED CFGPCPS 100-4 Super CA Glue. This glue is formulated with highly concentrated raw material components to ensure superior performance. It is strong enough to bond to a wide variety of materials, including metal, plastic, wood, ceramic, and glass. This glue is an all-purpose glue that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as repairing household items, completing craft projects, and building hobby models. Number 5. Bluemaster's Cyanoacrylate 041817 CA Glue. One of the standout features of this glue is its lightning-fast curing time. In under 45 seconds, your materials are securely bonded. The medium viscosity strikes the perfect balance. It offers precise control while still providing an even flow, reducing mess, and ensuring your projects turn out just right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. And if you have any questions about CA Glue or woodworking in general, please leave them in the comments below. We're always happy to help.